हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोग भी IELTS की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं एंड वांट टू नो सम इम्पोर्टेंट टिप्स फॉर रीडिंग जो कि आपके एग्जाम में हेल्प कर सकती हैं, सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सम मेजर IELTS रीडिंग टिप्स। बट उससे पहले हमारे YouTube चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड डू प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियोस। Now, let's look at some tips and tricks for IELTS reading. Tip 1. Understand the different question types in the section for IELTS reading. You will be asked to read 3 different passages and respond to related questions. There will be 40 questions in total in IELTS reading section. The type of questions that can be asked will be MCQs, fill in the blanks, agree on the statement with yes or no, and match the heading. You will have to carefully observe how each question is framed on your paper and then you should answer it correctly. Tip 2. Speed read the text before starting on the questions. Read the text with speed so that आपके पास एक overview आ जाए text के बारे में अगर आप paragraph के main points को cover करते हैं. Then it will be beneficial for you. And also notice keywords as you go with the text. This tip is to get the idea of what the text is about before starting the questions. Tip 3. Use keywords in the question to help locate the relevant section of the text. One of the keys to successfully solve IELTS reading is to know how to identify the keywords in the question. So you can use those keywords to locate a specific part, and for this, you will have to read the passage very carefully. इसीलिए questions में keywords को underline करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Tip 4. Look for the keywords in the question to find out the correct answers. So students, पहले हमने बात करी थी about speed read and then search reading. But in this tip, we are going to talk about the careful reading, जो कि डिपेक्ट करता है कि आप कितना ध्यान से टेक्स्ट को पढ़ रहे हैं और समझ रहे हैं. What you have to do is to focus on the text and then understand what the word means. Tip 5. Understand synonyms and paraphrases. It is very important for students to understand how the synonyms and paraphrases are used to say the same meaning using different words in your IELTS reading test. For example, I suppose, I believe, after, subsequently. IELTS reading solve करने के लिए ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि आपको keywords के synonyms पता होने चाहिए so that आप accurately answers mark कर पाएं. This tip is vital and students must learn IELTS vocabulary. Tip number 6. Academic and general reading tests differ. If you are taking IELTS Academic, then you will be facing 3 long academic tests taken from magazines and books. And if you are taking IELTS General, then you will get 5 or 6 day-to-day English texts. You need to be prepared for both the type of tests. Tip 7. Plan and prepare properly. The last and final tip is to prepare properly for IELTS reading test. That is the most challenging one, so you must prepare properly for the test, and if you want to score good, then do join our classes online and offline, both with Gradding.com, and follow more for such useful content. Thank you. See you in the next video.